Africa Content TV.
Humble, he doesn't talk like us, but very dangerous. And so you should like people like me who talk than somebody who's not talking. When you see his action, you say, is this Seyi really? So let me expose you to the people. Be careful that he doesn't talk. When he bites you, I don't think there's any doctor that will be able to bring you out. What you've done today, somebody may ask, why is he doing this? He's the governor of Oyo State. He wants the economy of his people to improve. Look at the airports, the VIP lounge. These things are supposed to be the responsibility of the federal government. Look at the airport road, named after our elder statesman. It's supposed to be the responsibility of federal government. I've heard the regional manager saying that he wants more. He wants more. Tell federal government to refund the state the money they have invested here. All they should hands off and hand over the airport to them. Hand over the airport to them. You cannot be spending state money at the same time you are the one controlling the airport. That is not. And that's what we're talking about. True federalism. That's what we're talking about. Restructuring. Certain things that federal government give it to themselves, but will not perform anyone. All they do at the end of every month, collect the high percentage of the funds, and then begin to do all kinds of things. I thank God Supreme Court today has told them that the old money remains valid till December. So if you still have your old money, use it. The highest court of the land has said so. Too bad for the governor of Central Bank. He has no choice. There's no any other directive that will override the judgment of Supreme Court. So I'm happy. You have said that today will be the first day, which is history making, where an aircraft will take fuel from this airport. No wonder when some aircraft land there, they go back and refuel. But now, no going back. You land here, you take fuel here. Seyi, God Almighty will continue to bless you. I don't want to talk about their second tenor. I don't want to talk about it. I know that the people of Oyo State know good things. One good turn deserves if in his first time, he can perform this way, what then will you think he will do second time? He will overperform like us. He will overperform because we told him the only way we can hand over power to you, you know, he is our youth leader in the G5 group. He's our youth leader. So we are looking forward to hand over to him as we are retiring. And the only way we can do that is that he will continue to perform for the people of Oyo State. And I can guarantee him, other people, I can guarantee that Seyi will do very, very well, better than what you have done in the first time. So you can close your eye on the 11th, close your eyes. Don't ask. Everything you are pressing must be what? Umbrella. Everything you are pressing must be what? Umbrella. There's no relationship with anybody again. The only relationship we have on the 11th of March is what? Umbrella. Is what? Umbrella. Everywhere you are going now.
As it is
DJ, you can't tempt me today. So, anywhere you are, all you are thinking now is what? Umbrella. If you are eating, what are you eating? Umbrella. As you are with your wife, what are you doing? Umbrella. As you go on the bath, what will you be doing? Umbrella. Even when you are entering vehicle, what are you entering? Umbrella. So, this is why I'm sure you're not from the party. So, don't hear any grammar again. The only grammar you can hear now is umbrella. Nothing like broom. Broom has ended Saturday last week. Do you understand me? Labour has ended Saturday last week. But what is going to rain now is what? Umbrella.
As it is sweet us, eat the bend them, as it bend them, or it is sweet us. As it is sweet us, eat the bend them, as it bend them, or it is sweet us.
So, thank you very much. That dance will be meaningful on Saturday, 11th, because